Should you stop writing? So I've noticed a trend of people being really anxious when they stop writing, and I thought it was pretty curious. Now, when I remember back, I realized that somewhere along the way, I used to feel that way too. By now, I have some discomfort when I'm not actively writing, but it doesn't happen a lot, honestly, after you develop a steady habit of writing. But if you stop writing, there is a reason, and many people puzzle about what to do. When you stop writing, why not ask yourself what the reason is and really dig? When you hit a hard stop, it can be as simple as the inner writer looking at you and thinking, stop telling me what I'm supposed to do and let me be creative or you'll get nothing. It can be as tiny a thing as that scene 3 paragraphs ago ruined this book for me, or as big as I want to be making cover art. That's what I love about making books. Also, should you always write? Well, should you always sleep? Should you always eat pizza? Writing may feel like breathing, but it's not. It can fatigue the body and deplete the mind, and so it's fine to stop doing it. Taking a vacation from writing is something I'd encourage people to mark on their calendars. The resource pool that lets you write and write at your best needs to refill from the groundwater of your experiences. Should you stop writing long term, your passion for writing is something only you can know and decide. But if you're struggling with this and you recommit, at least celebrate as you would for landing any job. Treat writing like the wonderful work that it is. Relax, think it through, and stay flexible about your craft.